Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to sync any effect with speed ramps, because many of you have been doing it wrong when trying to align effect keyframes with the speed ramped clip. If you've been matching them manually, stop doing that. There's a much easier and cleaner way to sync any effect you want with your speed ramps. Let's get started. Here I have my 6-second original clip with no speed ramp applied. Before I create a speed ramp, I'll first add an effect using the Pixel Melt plugin, but in your case, you can use any effect or plugin you like. Since I'll be applying Pixel Melt directly to the car, I first need to duplicate the original video and then rotoscope the car. Let's rename the duplicated layer to Effect to stay organized. Now select the Roto Brush tool, double-click the effect layer, and start rotoscoping the car. Once that's done, let's hit the freeze button. When freezing is complete, we can close the rotoscoping window. Now on the effect layer, apply the Pixel Melt effect. I'll quickly adjust the effect by changing the direction to up, since I want the melted pixels to move upward. Once everything looks right, let's animate the effect by keyframing it from 0% to 100%. At the beginning of the effect layer, change intensity to 0% and click the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Then scroll to the end of the layer and change the intensity to 100%. If we play the video now, the effect looks normal, nothing special yet and no speed ramp applied. So now we can speed ramp both the clip and the effect together. Just make sure to pre-compose the layers first. Select both layers, pre-compose them, make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration are selected, and click OK. Next right-click on the pre-comp, go to time, and choose Enable Time Remapping to begin creating the speed ramp. I'll scroll forward about 1 second and adjust the timing to create the ramp. Then as usual, delete the layer with extra keyframes at the end. A quick note, if you're new to speed ramping, I recommend watching my full speed ramping tutorial. I'll leave the link in this video's description. To better show you the results, I'll create a reverse speed ramp. To do that, drag the second keyframe toward the middle of the layer, then copy the first keyframe and paste it at the end of the layer. Now select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor, right-click, choose Edit Value Graph, and create a smooth curve. Once you're done, preview the video. And here we go. As you can see, the effect is perfectly synced with the speed of the video. If you ever want to change the effect, just double-click the pre-comp and adjust anything inside it. Settings, keyframes, blending mode, whatever you need. You can even change the entire effect by applying other plugins or any effect. When you're done, go back to your main composition to see the final result. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.